Hello, my name is Sherry Spence Leslie, and I am the Sheriff of Paradise County. As Sheriff, I am an elected county official who serves as the Chief Civil Law Enforcement Officer. My goals and responsibilities include protecting citizens, maintaining public peace, investigating reported crimes, protecting the court, operating the county jail, and serving the civil process. My department enlists the aid of local neighborhoods using a community policing strategy and working to prevent crime. The National Neighborhood Watch Program, sponsored by the National Sheriff's Association, allows civilians and law enforcement officers to cooperate in keeping communities safe. I grew up in Paradise County and have always been an advocate for community outreach programs. So naturally, I was very excited when Chief Davis and Lieutenant Stewart consulted me to collaborate with Sergeant Scott and Officer Hoagland of the Shangri-La Police Department about the declining enrollment in their Community-Oriented Patrols for Students program, also known as COPS. In 2010, I founded the Sheriff's Community Impact Program, known as SIP. Drawing on my early work experience in recreation programming and combining it with my current profession in law enforcement, I sought to reach youth in a positive way. I began to spread the word, and my leadership and planning team grew to include youth probation officers, juvenile justice commissioners, current and retired educators, attorneys, business leaders, and the list goes on. I wanted a robust community program where cops had an opportunity to reach out to and connect with underserved youth and their families in a positive way. In today's volatile climate, where many communities are questioning the relationship law enforcement has with the communities they are sworn to protect and serve, SIP's community-oriented approach is paramount to building public trust and serves as an exemplar for other communities. SIP is about empowering a community to reach out and work together in addressing juvenile delinquency. While activities and programs provide a safe environment for students, many organizations fall short in making a true, long-term, sustainable impact in a community. SIP strives to facilitate a collaborative environment where the concept of wraparound services can be woven into the Police Activity League concept. We want to work in partnership with social workers, counselors, teachers, probation officers to create a comprehensive program, giving parents and students the tools needed to be connected to the community. This is the fundamental belief that further scaffolds our mission. Partnerships are essential to mission success. We are now in the midst of our 9th year. SIP continues to produce unique youth programs that support an important societal-minded mission to foster productive citizens. We continue to make progress by keeping our youth connected. If our youth can stay connected with their community, and conversely, if the community can stay connected with their youth, then we are an essential step closer to creating a healthier and safer community where our youth are becoming productive citizens, rising together to do great things in our society. When SIP was founded, one key question that was asked of the leadership team in 2010: how can we do our part to affect change when it comes to mass incarceration in the United States? Will we be able to keep our youth from ever entering the justice system? Our mission is relevant. In a 2016 study conducted by the university's Civil Rights Project, it was estimated that just one youth who drops out of school can cost society approximately $163,000 in lost tax revenue over the course of their lifetime. For this same dropout over their lifetime, society can expect to pay approximately $364,000 for such things as health care. Research supports the idea that people who are disconnected from their community are at greater risk for antisocial behavior, including dropping out from high school, committing a criminal act, homelessness, etc. Our mission is to foster productive citizens by engaging youth in dynamic community programs. We work hard to keep our youth connected to their school and community. SIP partners with other organizations to reduce duplication of services and identify and meet gaps in services to youth in the county. SIP also aids in recruitment for our summer cadet program, formerly known as Police Explorers. The community youth that have been exposed to law enforcement officers through these various SIP initiatives are more likely to participate in our summer cadet program. Our goal is to encourage our youth to consider a career in law enforcement, whether it's with the local police department or the county sheriff's office. We also aim to improve the perception of law enforcement personnel among today's youth. These goals and strategies can be easily replicated by the Shangri-La Police Department to assist with revamping their COPS program. The SIP can serve as a model to strengthen their mission and ensure long-term sustainability. The ultimate goal is to provide a dynamic program of activities and leadership opportunities to develop youth in an environment where they can have a positive experience with law enforcement. This is Sheriff Sherry Spence Leslie of Paradise County signing off.